Hello everyone. After watching Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice dozens of times, a question came into my mind that why and how and for what did Lex Luthor told Superman to kill Batman. Take a look at this scene before starting the video.
And now, you will fly to him, and you will battle him to the death. Black and blue, fight night. The greatest gladiator match in the history of the world. God versus man. Day versus night. Son of Krypton versus Bat of Gotham.
You think I'll fight him for you?
Yes I do. I think you will fight for that special lady in your life.
She's safe on the ground. How about you?
Close, but I am not talking about Lois. No, every boy's special lady is his mother.
After this iconic scene and iconic dialogue, I thought a lot and got to know the thing of what actually Lex wanted and he did. So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav. Today in this video, I'll talk little bit about Batman vs Superman and we'll see how did Lex Luthor made the most gladiator fight in the history of the world. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. Summary. I know you have watched Batman vs Superman, but still I will give a short summary of what made this fight. When Superman faced Zod in the first installment of DCEU The Man of Steel, he made too much mess and a lot of distraction while fighting Zod that it seems like the world is about to end. And then enters the Bruce Wayne, who lost his office in the destruction and also saw a lot of people dying and suffering just because of that stupid fight. And here the Batman becomes beast and angry, and then he started planning to kill Superman because he knows and he thinks that Superman can destroy the whole world in minutes. But then came the Flash to drop petrol in the fire. He showed that dream or that Easter egg or something to Bruce that how will the earth end up after the destruction. And after that Batman got into the beast mode and decided whether there will be a Batman or the Superman. And yes, if you are waiting for Zack Snyder Justice League, then I have something for you. I have made a video on every superhero's role in the Snyder Cut. Link will be flashing upwards. Please watch that video. So the main thing here, why Lex Luthor risked his own life and let Superman fight Batman. Lex Luthor is one of the most iconic villains in the DC universe. From comics, animated shows to live actions, everywhere Lex have been a dominant villain to the league. You can see at the beginning of the movie Bruce stealing the information from Lex's computer by hacking. Lex know everyone's identity from Batman and Wonder Woman to Flash and Aquaman. But you were all thinking why Lex Luthor did it. Here's the answer of this question.
Because he thought it was good sport, because some men aren't looking for anything logical, like money. They can't be bought, bullied, reasoned, or negotiated with. Some men just want to watch the world burn.
And like Alfred said before, Lex just wanted to see the world burn alive. But there were problems in his plans where he has mighty superheroes in his way. But he played the MasterCard of Martha and his half work was done here. And then he let Superman fight Batman because he knows that the strongest one in the earth is the Superman. Only power is not everything. What Superman doesn't have was the brain like the Batman. This is the reason why Batman is called as the greatest detective in the DC universe. And as comics, Superman lost here too. But Lex wasn't just satisfied here. He knows that there will be one winner, so he suddenly made Doomsday. But Martha saved both. Both means the Superman and the Batman. That is what a mother, always there for the children. I hope you have got all the answers. Lex just wanted to end the league so that he can make Doomsday and rule the world. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in another Marvel, DC and other topic related to movies. Till then, bye bye.